First, we will start by drawing the eyelids of the Squirtle by drawing two slanting lines. When that's done, we will draw its eyes by drawing oval shapes. To give the eyes a 3D look, we will draw a curvy line. We will do the same on the another eye too. When that's done, we will add some circular shapes to its eyes to give it a really attractive look. Then we will add two small lines for its eyes to look really attractive. Two small lines again for its nostrils. Then we will start by drawing its head. For that, we have to draw a semicircle line. When that's done, we will bend the line a little for its mouth. When that's done, we will start by drawing its mouth. When that's done, we will draw its teeth by adding two triangular shapes. After that, we will draw its ears by drawing a curvy line. Then we will join it to its head. We will do the same on another ear. After that, we will draw its neck by drawing a triangle. When that's done, we will start by drawing its stomach. For that, we will draw a curved line. Then, for its hands, we will first draw a slightly curved line. Which joins to its mouth. For its claws, we will draw a triangle shape. We will do the same twice. Then we will start drawing one of its legs. For that, we have to draw again a curved line and bend it a little for its toes and fingers. Then we will draw a curved line so that its stomach gets a really 3D look. When that's done, we will draw its another leg. We will do the same which we have done in the first leg. When that's done, we will draw its shell. We will give a curved line which comes to its stomach to give it a scaly look. Then for its hand, we will do the same which we have done in the first hand. draw its claws, we will draw 3 triangle shapes. When that's done, we will draw its tail. First, we will draw a curved line. Then, beside its ears, we will start by drawing a spiral shape. We will draw a spiral shape again which comes down to its leg. By doing this, we have completed drawing Wartortle. So guys, if you like my channel, please subscribe to it for more interesting